SAP E-Sourcing Online Training. Learn and upgrade your profile with JDA Retail Lifecycle Pricing. Online Training by ProExcellency. Introduction to SAP E-Sourcing. SAP E-Sourcing is a strategic sourcing application that helps businesses automate and streamline their sourcing processes to achieve significant cost savings, improve supplier relationships, and mitigate risks. It is a comprehensive suite of tools that covers the entire sourcing process, from sourcing event creation to supplier selection and contract management. The benefits of using SAP E-Sourcing. SAP E-Sourcing is a cloud-based solution that helps businesses streamline their sourcing processes, manage procurement risk and compliance, reduce supplier costs, and accelerate procurement cycle times. Here are some of the key benefits of using SAP E-Sourcing. Increased efficiency and productivity. SAP E-Sourcing automates many manual tasks, such as creating and sending RFQs, managing supplier responses, and evaluating bids. This can free up your team to focus on more strategic activities. Reduced costs. SAP E-Sourcing can help you negotiate better deals with suppliers and reduce your overall procurement costs. Improved risk management. SAP E-Sourcing helps you identify and manage potential risks in your supply chain. Enhanced compliance. SAP E-Sourcing helps you ensure that your procurement practices are compliant with all applicable laws and regulations. Accelerated procurement cycle times. SAP E-Sourcing can help you shorten your procurement cycle times, which can lead to faster time to market for new products and services. In addition to these core benefits, SAP E-Sourcing also offers a number of other features that can help businesses improve their procurement processes, such as supplier management. SAP E-Sourcing provides a centralized repository for all of your supplier information, including contact details, performance ratings, and risk assessments. Collaboration. SAP E-Sourcing enables collaboration between different departments within your organization, such as procurement, engineering, and finance. Spend analytics. SAP E-Sourcing provides you with insights into your spending patterns, which can help you identify areas where you can save money. Overall, SAP E-Sourcing is a powerful tool that can help businesses of all sizes improve their procurement processes, reduce costs, and gain a competitive advantage. Benefits of using SAP customer service. SAP E-Sourcing is an enterprise-level cloud-based solution that helps businesses streamline their sourcing processes, reduce costs and improve compliance, improve their customer service. It includes a wide range of features. It provides a comprehensive set of guided sourcing and features for managing customer step-by-step guide, resolving issues, and executing sourcing customer satisfaction, including defining requirements. Here are some of the key benefits of using SAP customer service and evaluating bids. Improved customer and workflow management. SAP customer service allows businesses to automate customer and streamline their sourcing processes by defining workflows and assigning tasks to different users. It also provides support for multiple customer feedback and identifying areas for a variety of requests for information. Increased efficiency. SAP customer service automates many of the tasks involved in customer service events, such as routing tickets to the right agents and tracking and escalating issues. SAP E-Sourcing helps businesses track their potential savings to focus on more complex issues and identify opportunities for further optimization. Reduced costs. Integration by with automating SAP solutions and improving efficiency. Integrates with other service can help businesses such as reduce their customer service SRM to provide a unified view of businesses avoid lost revenue due to poor customer service. Core features, SAP E-Sourcing also includes a number of advanced features businesses such with a wealth of data about their customers and their interactions. E-Sourcing can help businesses this data can be used to identify trends, improve customer service processes, and develop targeted marketing campaigns. SAP E-Sourcing can help businesses manage their supplier relationships, including maintaining supplier data, such as phone and email, supplier performance, and social media. Contract management.
This allows
SAP
businesses to
E-Sourcing
provide
can help
customers with a
businesses
consistent,
manage,
and seamless
and
experience across all
with their
channels.
suppliers.
Here are
SAP
some
E-Sourcing
specific
is a
examples
powerful
of
tool
how
that
SAP
can help
customer
businesses
service
of
can be
all
used
sizes
to
improve
streamline their
customer
sourcing
service,
processes,
a
reduce
customer
costs,
calls a
and
company's
improve
help
compliance.
desk to report a problem
Key
with the
features
product.
of SAP E-Sourcing. The SAP customer service
SAP
agent can
E-Sourcing is
quickly
an
access the
enterprise-level
customer's
e-procurement
account
solution
information
that helps
and identify the
businesses
problem.
streamline their sourcing processes,
The agent can then
reduce
walk the
costs,
customer
and
through the
improve
steps to
compliance.
resolve the problem.
It includes a
A
wide
customer
range of
emails
features,
a company to
including
inquire about a product.
guided sourcing.
This
SAP
feature
feature
provides a
provides a
step-by-step
step-by-step
automatically
guide for
routes the
creating
email
and
to the
executing
appropriate
sourcing
agent,
events, including
The
defining
agent can then
requirements,
review the customer's
identifying
previous
potential
interactions
suppliers,
with the
and
company and
evaluating
provide a
bids.
personalized response.
Process and workflow
A
management.
customer
SAP
tweets about a
E-Sourcing
negative
allows
experience
businesses
with
to
a company
automate and streamline
The
their
SAP
sourcing
customer service
processes by
system can
defining
monitor social
workflows
media
and
for
assigning
mentions of the
tasks to
company
different
and
users.
alert the appropriate agent.
Support for multiple
The
RFX
agent can then
types.
reach out
SAP
to the
E-Sourcing
customer to
supports a
apologize
variety of
and resolve
requests
the
for
issue.
information. RFI,
Overall,
request
SAP
for
customer
quotation,
service is a
RFQ,
powerful tool
and
that
reverse
can help
auction,
businesses
RA,
of all
events,
sizes improve their customer
savings
service.
pipeline and tracking.
It can
SAP
help
E-Sourcing
businesses
helps
resolve
businesses
customer
track their
issues
potential
faster,
savings from
improve
sourcing
efficiency,
events, and
reduce
identify
costs,
opportunities
and gain
for further
valuable insights
optimization
into their customers.
Integration
Getting started with SAP
customer
E-Sourcing.
service. SAP
Embarking on
E-Sourcing
SAP
is a
customer
strategic
service,
solution that
SAP
helps
CAs.
businesses streamline their
Implementation may
procurement
seem
processes,
daunting,
but the
manage
rewards for
supplier
your
relationships,
relationships
customer
and
service
reduce
processes
costs
can be significant.
It provides a centralized
Follow these
platform for
simplified
managing
steps.
all aspects of the sourcing
Assessment
life cycle,
and planning,
from
evaluate
requisition to
current
contract
customer
award.
service processes. Here are
Pinpoint
some of the
goals
key
and
benefits of
determine the
using
scope
SAP
and
and
resources
resources needed for SAP
Streamline
CA's
sourcing
implementation.
processes. SAP
Design
E-Sourcing
your
automates
solution.
many of the
Configure
manual
SAP
tasks
CAs to
involved
meet
in the
your
sourcing
specific
process,
requirements,
such as
and
creating
integrate it
and sending
seamlessly with
RFQs,
existing business
selecting
systems,
bids,
and evaluating
data
suppliers.
migration. If
This
migrating
can help
data from
businesses
another
save time
system,
and money
plan and
and
execute
improve
a
the
strategy
efficiency
to
of their
ensure
sourcing
accurate
operations.
and complete data transfer
Improved
to
supplier
SAP CAs.
relationships. SAP
Training
E-Sourcing
and change
provides
management.
a central
Train
repository
employees
for all
on
SAP
supplier
CAs
information
usage,
and
making it
communicate
easier for
process
businesses
changes
to
to
facilitate
their
a
supplier
smooth transition.
relationships.
The
Testing and
solution
go-live.
also
After
includes
thorough
tools for
configuration
collaborating
and
with
testing,
suppliers
go-live
and
with
tracking
SAP
supplier
CAs to begin
performance.
managing your customer service
Reduced
processes.
costs.
SAP E-Sourcing
Additional
can help
tips.
businesses reduce their
Stakeholder
procurement
buying
costs by
gain
helping
support
them from
to
executives,
find the
managers,
best
and
suppliers
employees
for
to
their needs.
ensure a successful
Negotiate
implementation.
better deals with suppliers.
Phased approach. Implement
Reduce
SAP
Maverick
CAs
spend.
gradually, starting
If
with
you are
key
interested
modules
in
or
learning more
processes
about
to
SAP
make the
E-Sourcing,
transition more
there are a
manageable.
number of resources available
Qualified
online
partner
and from
seek
SAP.
assistance from a qualified
You can also
SAP
find
CAs
SAP
partner for
E-Sourcing training
expertise
courses
and resources.
offered by SAP and other training
Benefits of SAP
providers.
CAs implementation.
Here are some additional things to
Improved
keep in
customer
mind when
service
getting started
processes.
with SAP E-Sourcing.
Reduced customer service
Make sure
costs.
you have the right hardware
Increased
and
customer
software.
satisfaction.
SAP E-Sourcing requires certain
Enhanced
hardware
employee
and software
productivity.
specifications to run
Improved
properly.
decision-making
You
capabilities.
can find more information
Before
about these
diving in,
requirements in the
research
SAP
and consult
E-Sourcing
businesses
documentation.
that have successfully
Get
implemented
training.
SAP
SAP
CAs.
E-Sourcing is a complex
It's a
solution,
valuable tool
and it
that
is
can
important
elevate
to
your
get
customer
training to learn
service
how
and
to
help
use
achieve
it
your
effectively.
business goals.
There are a number of
Implementing
SAP E-Sourcing
customer
training
service.
courses available online
Embarking
and
on
from
SAP
SAP.
customer service.
Start
SAP
small.
CAs.
Don't try to
Implementation may
implement
seem
SAP
daunting,
E-Sourcing for
but the
all of
rewards
your
for your
sourcing
business's
processes
customer
at
service
once.
processes can be
Start
significant.
with a few pilot projects.
Follow
and then
these
expand your
simplified
use of the
steps.
solution as you become more
Assessment and
comfortable
planning.
with it.
Evaluate current customer
By following
service
these
processes.
steps, you can get
Pinpoint
started
goals
with SAP
and determine
E-Sourcing
the
and
scope
start
and
reaping the
resources
benefits
needed for
of this
SAP
powerful
CAs
solution.
implementation. Configuring SAP E-Sourcing for your business processes. Configuring SAP E-Sourcing for your business processes involves tailoring the system to align with your specific sourcing needs and workflows. This process encompasses various aspects, including defining sourcing processes. Clearly outline the steps involved in your sourcing processes, from identifying requirements to awarding contracts. This helps in mapping the e-sourcing functionalities to your specific business needs. Customizing user interfaces. Adapt the e-sourcing user interface to match your organizational structure and terminology. This enhances user familiarity and simplifies navigation. Integrating with existing systems. Integrate e-sourcing with your existing ERP and procurement systems to ensure seamless data exchange and process automation. This eliminates data silos and streamlines workflows. Configuring document templates. Create standardized templates for sourcing documents, such as RFQs, RFPs, and contracts, to ensure consistency and efficiency. Establishing workflow rules. Define workflow rules to automate tasks and route approvals based on business logic. This streamlines sourcing processes and reduces manual intervention. Managing vendor data. Maintain accurate and up-to-date vendor information within e-sourcing to facilitate efficient supplier selection and collaboration. Enabling reporting and analytics. Configure reporting tools to generate insights into sourcing activities, performance metrics, and cost savings. This data-driven approach supports informed decision-making. Enhancing security. Implement robust security measures to protect sensitive sourcing data and maintain compliance with data privacy regulations. Monitoring and optimization. Continuously monitor e-sourcing performance and identify areas for improvement. Regularly review configurations and adapt to changing business requirements. User training and support. Provide comprehensive training to users on e-sourcing functionalities and ensure ongoing support to maximize adoption and utilization. By carefully considering these configuration steps, you can effectively tailor SAP E-Sourcing to your unique business processes, streamline sourcing activities, and achieve cost savings and operational efficiency. Creating and managing sourcing events in SAP E-Sourcing. Creating and managing sourcing events in SAP E-Sourcing involves a series of steps that can be broadly categorized into 3 phases. 1. Pre-event planning. Define sourcing objectives. Clearly outline the purpose of the sourcing event, including the goods or services being procured, the desired outcomes, and the target audience. Select event type. Choose the appropriate event type based on the sourcing objectives, such as a request for proposal, RFP, for complex procurements, or an auction for price-driven procurements. Create sourcing project. Establish a sourcing project to manage the overall sourcing process, including event creation, supplier selection, and contract awarding. 2. Event creation and execution. Select event template. Choose a predefined event template or create a customized template tailored to the specific requirements of the sourcing event. Configure event settings. Define event details such as event title, description, dates, deadlines, participation rules, and evaluation criteria. Invite suppliers. Invite relevant suppliers to participate in the event, considering factors such as supplier capabilities, experience, and performance history. Publish event. Make the event visible to invited suppliers, allowing them to view event details, submit responses, and ask questions. 3. Post-event management. Review supplier responses. Evaluate supplier responses based on the defined evaluation criteria, considering factors such as pricing, quality, and delivery terms. Negotiate with suppliers. Engage in negotiations with shortlisted suppliers to optimize pricing, terms, and conditions. Award contracts. Select the winning suppliers and issue contracts, formalizing the sourcing agreement. Analyze event performance. Evaluate the success of the sourcing event, identifying areas for improvement in future procurements. SAP E-Sourcing provides various tools and functionalities to streamline the sourcing event lifecycle, facilitating efficient and effective procurement processes. Negotiating and evaluating supplier bids in SAP E-Sourcing. Negotiating and evaluating supplier bids is a crucial step in the procurement process to ensure that the organization obtains the best possible value for its money. SAP E-Sourcing provides a comprehensive suite of tools to streamline and optimize this process, enabling procurement professionals to effectively manage supplier bids, conduct negotiations, and make informed decisions. Key steps in negotiating and evaluating supplier bids in SAP E-Sourcing. Bid review and analysis. Upon receiving supplier bids, procurement professionals can utilize SAP E-Sourcing's evaluation tools to thoroughly review and analyze each bid. This includes assessing pricing, terms and conditions, delivery timelines, and supplier qualifications. Supplier communication and negotiation. SAP E-Sourcing facilitates effective communication with suppliers, enabling procurement professionals to initiate negotiations, exchange proposals, and clarify any discrepancies or concerns. The system's negotiation workbench provides a centralized platform to track negotiation progress and manage multiple negotiations simultaneously. Collaboration and decision-making. SAP E-Sourcing promotes collaboration among stakeholders involved in the procurement process, allowing for real-time feedback and decision-making. The system's approval workflow ensures that the final decision is aligned with the organization's procurement policies and objectives. Benefits of using SAP E-Sourcing for bid negotiation and evaluation. Streamlined process. SAP E-Sourcing automates and streamlines the bid evaluation and negotiation process, saving time and effort for procurement professionals. Enhanced visibility and control. The system provides a centralized repository for all bid-related information, offering procurement professionals clear visibility into the negotiation status and progress. Improved collaboration. SAP E-Sourcing facilitates collaboration among stakeholders, ensuring that all relevant parties are informed and engaged throughout the negotiation process. Data-driven decision-making. The system's analytical tools provide insights into supplier performance and market trends, enabling procurement professionals to make informed decisions based on data. Cost savings and risk mitigation. By optimizing the negotiation process and selecting the most suitable suppliers, organizations can achieve cost savings and mitigate potential supply chain risks. Overall, SAP E-Sourcing empowers procurement professionals to effectively manage supplier bids, conduct strategic negotiations, and make informed decisions that optimize the procurement process and drive value for the organization. Awarding contracts and managing supplier relationships in SAP E-Sourcing. Awarding contracts and managing supplier relationships are crucial aspects of the procurement process, and SAP E-Sourcing provides a comprehensive suite of tools to streamline and optimize these activities. Awarding contracts. Bid evaluation. SAP E-Sourcing facilitates a structured and transparent bid evaluation process, enabling procurement teams to assess supplier proposals based on predefined criteria, such as price, quality, delivery terms, and technical capabilities. Supplier selection. Once the bids have been evaluated, SAP E-Sourcing helps in selecting the most suitable supplier based on the evaluation criteria and overall business objectives. Contract negotiation. SAP E-Sourcing facilitates collaboration with the selected supplier to negotiate contract terms and conditions, ensuring alignment with both parties' requirements. Contract creation. SAP E-Sourcing streamlines contract creation by providing standardized templates and automating routine tasks, reducing the time and effort required to finalize contracts. Managing supplier relationships. Supplier onboarding. SAP E-Sourcing simplifies supplier onboarding by providing a centralized platform for collecting and managing supplier information, including contact details, certifications, and performance history. Supplier performance management. SAP E-Sourcing enables ongoing monitoring and evaluation of supplier performance, providing insights into their adherence to contract terms, delivery schedules, and quality standards. Supplier risk management. SAP E-Sourcing helps identify and mitigate potential supplier risks by providing visibility into supplier financial health, regulatory compliance, and environmental impact. Supplier collaboration. SAP E-Sourcing facilitates collaboration with suppliers throughout the procurement lifecycle, fostering open communication and continuous improvement. By leveraging the capabilities of SAP E-Sourcing, organizations can streamline the contract awarding process, strengthen supplier relationships, and optimize procurement outcomes. Reporting and analytics in SAP E-Sourcing. SAP E-Sourcing provides a comprehensive suite of reporting and analytics tools that enable businesses to gain valuable insights into their sourcing activities. These tools help businesses to track and measure key sourcing performance indicators, KPIs, such as savings, cycle times, and supplier performance. Identify and analyze sourcing trends. Make informed sourcing decisions. The following are some of the key reporting and analytics tools available in SAP E-Sourcing. Predefined reports. SAP E-Sourcing provides a library of predefined reports that cover a wide range of sourcing topics, such as spend analysis, supplier performance, and contract management. Ad hoc reports. Users can create their own ad hoc reports to meet their specific needs. Dashboards. SAP E-Sourcing provides a number of dashboards that provide users with a quick and easy way to view key sourcing metrics. Data analysis tools. SAP E-Sourcing provides a number of data analysis tools that enable users to drill down into their sourcing data and identify trends and patterns. In addition to these tools, SAP E-Sourcing also integrates with other SAP solutions, such as SAP Business Warehouse, BW, to provide even more comprehensive reporting and analytics capabilities. SAP E-Sourcing's reporting and analytics tools can help businesses to achieve a number of benefits, including reduced sourcing costs. By identifying and analyzing sourcing trends, businesses can make informed decisions that can help them to reduce their sourcing costs. Improved supplier performance. By tracking and measuring supplier performance, businesses can identify and address supplier issues early on. Increased sourcing agility. By having access to real-time sourcing data, businesses can make faster and more informed sourcing decisions. Overall, SAP E-Sourcing's reporting and analytics tools can help businesses to optimize their sourcing processes and achieve significant cost savings. Best practices for using SAP E-Sourcing. SAP E-Sourcing is a comprehensive suite of applications that helps organizations automate and streamline their sourcing processes. It can be used to manage all aspects of the sourcing lifecycle, from identifying and qualifying suppliers to negotiating and awarding contracts. Here are some best practices for using SAP E-Sourcing to get the most out of your investment. Define your sourcing goals and objectives. What do you want to achieve with SAP E-Sourcing? Are you looking to reduce costs, improve supplier quality, or increase efficiency? Once you know your goals, you can tailor your use of the software to achieve them. Get buy-in from all stakeholders. SAP E-Sourcing is most successful when it is used by all stakeholders in the sourcing process, including procurement, finance, and engineering. Get everyone on board with the new system and train them on how to use it. Cleanse your master data. SAP E-Sourcing relies on accurate master data, such as supplier information and commodity codes. Make sure your master data is clean and up to date before you start using the system. Standardize your sourcing processes. SAP E-Sourcing can help you standardize your sourcing processes, which can save time and money. Develop standard templates for RFPs, RFQs, and contracts. Use automation to streamline tasks. SAP E-Sourcing can automate many of the tasks involved in sourcing, such as sending invitations to bid and evaluating bids. This can free up your team to focus on more strategic work. Measure your results. Track your results to see how SAP e-sourcing is impacting your organization. This will help you identify areas for improvement and make sure you are getting the most out of your investment. By following these best practices, you can maximize the benefits of SAP e-sourcing and achieve your sourcing goals. Troubleshooting common issues in SAP e-sourcing. SAP E-Sourcing is a cloud-based suite that streamlines sourcing processes for businesses, but it can encounter common issues. These include connection problems, login issues, performance slowdowns, error messages, and data-related issues. To troubleshoot effectively, follow these steps. Identify the issue, clearly define the problem, noting when it started and the actions taken when it occurred. Check the logs, examine SAP e-sourcing logs for error and warning information that may offer insights into the issue. Search for known issues, utilize the SAP support portal to find solutions to known problems related to your issue. Test in a different environment, replicate the problem in a test environment to isolate whether it's specific to your setup. Contact SAP support. If resolution proves elusive, reach out to SAP support for expert assistance. Specific troubleshooting tips. Connection issues. Ensure network connectivity, review firewall settings, and restart your computer and router. Login issues. Double-check credentials, reset your password if needed, and confirm with your system administrator if your account is locked. Performance issues. Close unnecessary applications, clear browser cache and cookies, and try an alternative browser or device. Error messages. Analyze error messages for insights, and search SAP Help Portal or Support Portal for solutions. Data issues. Consult your system administrator for known data integrity issues, and attempt to recreate the problem step by step. By applying these steps and tips, you can efficiently resolve common SAP e-sourcing issues and maintain a smooth sourcing process. The future of SAP e-sourcing and strategic sourcing. Here is an overview of the future of SAP e-sourcing and strategic sourcing. SAP e-sourcing. SAP e-sourcing is a cloud-based solution that helps businesses automate and streamline their sourcing processes. It is a comprehensive suite of tools that can be used to manage the entire sourcing life cycle, from sourcing and supplier evaluation to contract management and supplier performance tracking. In the future, SAP e-sourcing is expected to become even more integrated with other SAP solutions, such as SAP ERP and SAP Ariba. This will allow businesses to have a single, unified view of their sourcing data and to make more informed sourcing decisions. In addition, SAP e-sourcing is expected to become more intelligent and automated. This means that the solution will be able to automate routine tasks, such as creating RFIs and sending reminders to suppliers. This will free up procurement professionals to focus on more strategic tasks, such as developing sourcing strategies and negotiating with suppliers. Strategic sourcing. Strategic sourcing is the process of identifying and evaluating potential suppliers in order to select the best ones to meet the needs of the business. It is a complex process that requires a deep understanding of the business's needs, the supplier market, and the sourcing process. In the future, strategic sourcing is expected to become even more data-driven. This means that businesses will use more data to inform their sourcing decisions. This data could come from a variety of sources, such as internal ERP systems, external market research, and supplier performance data. In addition, strategic sourcing is expected to become more collaborative. This means that businesses will work more closely with other departments, such as engineering and marketing, to develop sourcing strategies. This collaboration will help to ensure that the sourcing decisions are aligned with the overall business strategy. Overall, the future of SAP e-sourcing and strategic sourcing is bright. Businesses that adopt these solutions can expect to see significant benefits, such as reduced costs, improved supplier performance, and increased agility. Here are some specific trends that are expected to shape the future of SAP e-sourcing and strategic sourcing. The rise of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. The increasing importance of data and analytics. The growing need for collaboration and agility. The globalization of supply chains. Businesses that are able to adapt to these trends will be well positioned for success in the future. Career opportunities and salary expectations. SAP E-Sourcing in India. SAP E-Sourcing is a module of SAP Business Suite that provides a comprehensive solution for managing the sourcing process, from requisition to contract award. SAP E-Sourcing is a valuable tool for organizations that want to streamline their sourcing process, reduce costs, and improve efficiency. Career opportunities in SAP E-Sourcing. There are a number of career opportunities in SAP E-Sourcing, including SAP E-Sourcing Consultant. SAP E-Sourcing consultants are responsible for implementing and configuring SAP E-Sourcing solutions. They work with clients to understand their business needs and then design and implement a solution that meets those needs. SAP E-Sourcing Analyst. SAP E-Sourcing Analysts are responsible for analyzing and reporting on sourcing data. They use this data to identify trends, make recommendations, and improve the sourcing process. SAP E-Sourcing Project Manager. SAP E-Sourcing Project Managers are responsible for planning, executing, and monitoring SAP E-Sourcing projects. They work with a team of consultants, analysts, and other stakeholders to ensure that projects are completed on time and within budget. Salary expectations for SAP E-Sourcing professionals. The salary for SAP E-Sourcing professionals varies depending on experience, skills, and location. However, in general, SAP E-Sourcing professionals can expect to earn a good salary. For example, according to the 2023 salary survey by Robert Half, the average salary for an SAP E-Sourcing consultant in India is 800,000 rupee per year. How to get started in SAP E-Sourcing? If you are interested in a career in SAP E-Sourcing, there are a number of things you can do to get started. Get certified. There are a number of SAP E-Sourcing certifications available. Getting certified will demonstrate your commitment to the field and make you more marketable to potential employees. Gain experience. There are a number of ways to gain experience in SAP E-Sourcing, such as volunteering for projects or taking on internships. Network. Networking is an important way to meet people in the SAP E-Sourcing field and learn about opportunities. Attend industry events and join online forums. The demand for SAP E-Sourcing professionals is expected to grow in the coming years. With the right skills and experience, you can enjoy a successful and rewarding career in this field. Why choose SAP E-Sourcing Online Training? There are many benefits to choosing SAP E-Sourcing Online Training, including flexibility. You can learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. This is especially beneficial for busy professionals who have limited time for traditional classroom training. Accessibility. You can access your training materials from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. This makes it a convenient option for people who travel frequently or who live in rural areas. Cost-effectiveness. Online training is typically more affordable than traditional classroom training. This is because there are no overhead costs associated with providing the training, such as travel and accommodation for instructors. Self-paced learning. Online training allows you to learn at your own pace. This is beneficial for people who have different learning styles and who need more time to understand certain concepts. Hands-on experience. Many online training courses offer hands-on experience with the software. This is important for people who want to learn how to use the software effectively. Up-to-date content. Online training courses are often updated more frequently than traditional classroom training. This ensures that you are learning the latest features and functionality of the software. In addition to these general benefits, there are also specific benefits to choosing SAP E-Sourcing Online training. These benefits include: learn from experienced professionals. SAP E-Sourcing Online courses are often taught by experienced professionals who have extensive experience with the software. This ensures that you are learning from people who know what they are talking about. Gain a competitive edge. SAP e-sourcing is a valuable skill that can help you stand out from the competition. By completing an SAP e-sourcing online training course, you can demonstrate to potential employers that you have the skills and knowledge they are looking for. Increase your earning potential. SAP e-sourcing professionals are in high demand and can command high salaries. By completing an SAP e-sourcing online training course, you can increase your earning potential. Overall, there are many reasons to choose SAP e-sourcing online training. It is a flexible, affordable, and effective way to learn a valuable skill that can help you advance your career. Advantage of choosing SAP e-sourcing online training. Here are some of the advantages of choosing SAP e-sourcing online training. Flexibility. Online training offers the flexibility to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. You can access the training materials from anywhere with an internet connection, so you can fit it into your busy schedule. Cost-effectiveness. Online training is often more cost-effective than traditional classroom training. There are no travel or accommodation costs, and you don't have to take time off work to attend class. Accessibility. Online training is accessible to anyone with an internet connection. This means that you can learn SAP e-sourcing no matter where you live or work. Up-to-date content. Online training providers are constantly updating their materials to reflect the latest changes in SAP e-sourcing. This means that you can be sure you are learning the most up-to-date information. Variety of learning styles. Online training courses are designed to cater to a variety of learning styles. There are video tutorials, interactive exercises, and self-paced readings. This means that you can learn in the way that is most effective for you. In addition to these general advantages, there are also some specific advantages to choosing SAP e-sourcing online training. Gain hands-on experience. Many online SAP e-sourcing courses include hands-on exercises that allow you to practice what you have learned. This is essential for getting the most out of your training. Learn from experts. Online SAP e-sourcing courses are often taught by experienced SAP consultants who can share their insights and knowledge. Get certified. Many online SAP e-sourcing courses can help you prepare for the SAP E-Sourcing Certification exam. This can help you advance your career in procurement. Overall, SAP e-sourcing online training is a great way to learn the skills you need to succeed in the procurement field. It is flexible, cost-effective, and accessible. Why choose ProExcellency SAP e-sourcing online training? There are many reasons to choose ProExcellency SAP e-sourcing online training, including industry-leading expertise. ProExcellency has a team of experienced SAP e-sourcing consultants who have a deep understanding of the software and its capabilities. This means that you can be confident that you are getting the best possible training from experts who know what they are talking about. Flexible learning options. ProExcellency offers a variety of SAP e-sourcing online training options to fit your needs. You can choose from self-paced courses, live online classes, or blended learning solutions that combine both self-paced and live instruction. Affordable pricing. ProExcellency SAP E-Sourcing Online training courses are very competitively priced, making them an affordable option for individuals and businesses alike. Proven track record. ProExcellency has a proven track record of success in delivering high-quality SAP E-Sourcing Online training. Their courses have been praised by students for their thoroughness, practicality, and value for money. Here are some additional specific benefits of choosing ProExcellency SAP E-Sourcing Online training. Gain the skills and knowledge you need to become a successful SAP E-Sourcing consultant. Learn how to use SAP E-Sourcing to streamline your procurement processes and save money. Prepare for the SAP E-Sourcing Certification exam. Get access to a community of SAP E-Sourcing professionals. Learn from experienced SAP E-Sourcing consultants who are passionate about the software. If you are looking for the best possible SAP E-Sourcing online training, ProExcellency is a clear choice. With their industry-leading expertise, flexible learning options, affordable pricing, and proven track record, ProExcellency can help you achieve your SAP E-Sourcing goals. Contact us. www.proexcellency.com. info@proexcellency.com. often@proexcellency.com. 08031508687 +918722079509. Bangalore. Thank you for your attention.